What's up guys? My name is Jules, aka Gym Jules on all of the socials, and I'm a 100-pound weight loss transformation. And we're digging back into the Gym Jules archives, and we're gonna be doing a resistance band only leg workout. Grab your bands and a mat, and let's get started. Here is your workout set list. We're gonna do 3 sets of each exercise, but pay attention to the number of reps we do for each exercise. Take this with you if you ever want to do it without me. Completed. The bands that I use for this video are from Amazon, and they are linked in the description box down below. Make sure and flex that thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. May your muscles be sore, and may you come back for more. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bueno, bye!